Okay, here we are. I'm excited as can be. We just finished putting the rear passenger quarter panel on. Not mocking it, but welding it. Inner wheel well, outer wheel well. The whole quarter panel, like I said in the beginning of the videos. It's been a long, tedious process, but it's been well worth it. And you definitely learn after putting one quarter on some tricks doing it. Here we are, just going through the welding process. I put some welds in here and ground them down. I've got some welds up in here, and we've got a couple welds in, plug welds, and then inside the door jamb we've got it welded. And now we're going to do all the additional welding. I've got the inner wheel wells welded. Now I've got to weld the brackets on. Inside here you can see all the welding holes that I've welded. That's the inner wheel well. The car has really turned out nice. Mr. Kinsman, who's been guiding me through the whole process, we've got the gaps really close here, and it's not even tweaked in. It's so nice not to see a big cut down the seam and then have to worry about body filler. You're seeing the car without any body filler, the dings that are in the front there. It looks really nice. Well, I'm putting the car back on the rotisserie. I'm going to be going into paint mode, so hopefully we'll have it painted in a couple months to the end of the summer, so I can start assembling it and putting the interior in. The engine and all that stuff is ready. I've gone and bought a different motor after rebuilding an insane 327. I've got a big block I bought, a 396, correct period for the car, and I've got to pick that up. But it's exciting. We've got in the car all the sheet metal. If you go back to the very first video and see in the car on the rotisserie with the lousy quarter panels, look at this beauty. She's got all new sheet metal on the back half end of the car. The front clip's original, the doors, and the rear quarter, I've been calling them fenders, inner and outer wheel well. I'm going into paint mode probably next week. After the 4th of July weekend, I'll be back into paint mode. This whole side, no more just clamped up, no more cut off old wheel wells. It's on, it's welded. Just got to be finished welding all the individual hole wells or plug wells. Look at that, how nice it looks. Wait until the paint goes on it. Alright. I've got the inside there on the other side I've shown you. I've got the trunk off because I'm doing some welding here inside and grinding. Tools all over the place. The dog in the chair over there, as you see, he's the boss. That's me talking again for another 4 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. And this is the back part Mr. Kinsman's going to have to deal with. This is probably the worst part of the car, is the back end.